Hello, Amy Sindicic here. Welcome to Idiom of the Day. Today's idiom is to dip your toes in. To dip your toes in is to start a project slowly and cautiously because you're unsure about the results. Think about when you go to the swimming pool and the water's a little bit cold. You dip your toes in to kind of test the temperature and see if you really want to swim that day. Kind of similar. Okay, let me give you some examples. I have been dipping my toes into the stock market as I'm not sure whether or not my investments will do well and I don't want to lose my shirt. We say on the stock market, losing one's shirt is taking a beating. That's another term we use on the stock market. If you take a beating or you lose your shirt, you lose a lot of money on the market. Our company is dipping a toe into electronics. It's a new and costly adventure, and we want to take it slow and make all the right moves. Today's idiom is to dip your toes in, to start a project slowly and cautiously because you're unsure of the results. Today's idiom was taken from 505 Business Idioms and Phrasal Verbs by Clare Whitmell. The link to Amazon is provided. Please visit me at businessenglish123.com. And if you like this video, please subscribe and like. Thank you so much.